So this is an online manipulative that we can use to do our linear word problem that we had. It was Mike and Jen collected shells together. They collected a total of 50 shells. Mike collected 10 more shells than Jen. How many rocks did each of them collect? So this is a way that we can find that answer as well. So we would have to put the amount that Mike collected, and you continue with that until you get to 30. And then we would put how many Jen collected, and we would keep adding those until we get to 20. And then you can count them all and see if that's correct if we have 50. So you would just keep adding them until we have 50 bears total. It's good to use two different colors for each person or each item. That way you can kind of keep them separated that way. This has 10 in each row, so we know 10, 20, 30, that would be for Mike. And then for Jen, she collected 20, so we know this would be 10, 20. So we would have 2 rows for Jen and 3 rows for Mike.